Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup cPanel VPS using JetBackup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your cPanel VPS using JetBackup, first ensure you have JetBackup installed on your server. Log into your WHM panel using your root credentials. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the JetBackup option. Once on the JetBackup dashboard, you will see various backup options. Choose Backup Wizard to initiate the backup process. Select the type of backup you wish to perform, full, incremental, or partial. A full backup captures all the data on your VPS. An incremental backup only saves the changes made since the last backup. Partial backups allow you to select specific accounts or files. For a full backup, click on the Full Backup option. Next, specify the backup destination. You can choose between local storage or remote storage solutions. If you select remote storage, input your FTP or SFTP credentials. Be sure to configure the storage settings according to your requirements. After setting up the destination, click the Next button to continue. Review the backup settings to ensure everything is correct. You can choose to enable email notifications for backup completion. Once satisfied, click on the Create Backup button. The backup process will now start, and you can monitor its progress in the dashboard. If you chose the incremental or partial options, the steps will be similar, but adjust your selections accordingly. For existing backups, navigate to the backup list to view, restore, or download older backups. If you need to restore a backup, select the relevant backup from the list. Click the Restore button and choose the restore options that fit your needs. After completing the restoration process, confirm all changes are satisfactory. Regularly schedule backups to ensure data protection moving forward. JetBackup offers various scheduling options for automated backups. Access the Schedule Backups section to configure your desired backup intervals. Select the frequency and timing that best suits your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.